Hello everyone, it's Koding and Kotlin again. I'm Pasha, and you're next to me. Music is too loud, we'll fix it soon. Maybe not, who knows. Anyways, welcome back. If you saw our previous episode, it was not with Igor. Igor has had his vacations. How did your vacation go, Igor?
Amazing, thank you. I got sick, so I will be sneezing all the time.
Oh, I did it like 4 episodes ago, so we are kind of square right now.
It's contagious, yeah. You have a fake lava lamp. I see that in the background, right?
And so, if you saw our previous episode, it was with Jakub Chrzanowski, and we tried to improve my plugin for IDEA. It's called Typewriter plugin. But let's do a quick recap with Igor. What did we do? Because our goal last time was to introduce some new scenes to our game. And first of these scenes should be kind of UI, where you should select a mode of game. It will be a local game or network game. I'm not sure if we will ever complete this network game stuff. Maybe it's not that important. Let's just quickly look at what do we have now. Could you please? Oh, I'm not even sure. Do you have the last changes? Do you have client scene, for example? Class.
Yeah.
Nice.
It started building something very long. Okay,
Let's check. Not that long.
Seem to work, right?
Yeah, but we don't have this UI, right?
We don't. Do we? What's the?
Yeah, probably I have to push something actually.
Okay. You have some changes that you did.
Definitely, I have some changes.
Okay. Push.
Submit and push again. I pushed. Pull it, baby.
Oh. Okay. Something changed.
Try git resolve thing.
Where? How?
Git menu. Yeah. Resolve conflicts. Merge here.
Why?
And click magic wand at the top.
Magic wand. Okay.
Magic wand. One.
Resolve simple complete. I clicked it once.
I'm not sure if it actually resolved anything.
Oh, it removed some of these.
Yeah, it resolves some simpler conflicts, but apparently it can solve the UI, the conflict in UI. Probably you can just copy paste, hit this double left arrow, this one, and just hit the cross on the left part, on the corresponding left part, and the same for imports. And probably that should do it, because save changes and finish working.
I have no idea what have I just done, but it seemed to work, right? Okay.
It works. It's not that bad. Probably we should change the initial scene to scene main, right?
Client scene, right?
Client scene, right?
All right. Where do we do that?
I don't remember.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
Wait, what? But we should have it somewhere, right?
That's good.
It's a nice question. Okay. Could you navigate please to the Pong game?
See.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, here it is. Okay, nice. Ctrl Z will copy paste the line for you.
Okay. Like client C.
I'm not sure if it's an object or a class. It's class, so you should construct it.
What's a shortcut? Shift F10.
Yes.
I remember.
Your muscle memory is completely gone, right?
Yes. Okay, it sends a
Okay,
state.
it works.
Yeah. Woohoo! Done. Okay.
Thank you everyone for watching. It was a nice session. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
continue it. It's still
Okay.
How did it happen? Did you click it?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
All right. So what's going on here? There's some else statement which I have no idea what. If args is empty. Okay.
Oh, nice. Like now we reverse engineer what did we do last time?
Okay. Yeah.
Reverse understand.
Terrible. Just 2 weeks has passed, and I have no idea what is this. I definitely forgot all my Kotlin skills. Okay, so the client scene sends the state, and that's it, right? What does
Probably.
everything else? This is very weird. Okay, do you remember what we tried to do? What was the goal?
Yeah, sure. We wanted to create an initial scene that will allow you to select between local and remote game. Also, we had this idea. Maybe we should. How the class is called? Client scene. Like if I am client, I will connect to some server. If I am server, I will host some server. So on this scene, I probably should.
What?
What?
I'm
What I
just
do?
trying to make a very big button.
Okay, nice.
I succeed.
Yay!
Okay. So this
I
is
mean, 2 major successes in a row.
Yes.
So right,
I won the roll.
we have this client scene. We should have our server scene, I believe.
Server scene. Do we have it?
No, of course we don't have it. We have a server built into something. We also don't know. Also, if you remember, we discussed that probably we should just create a standalone server, not KorGE based server, just I don't know, pure Kotlin server.
Okay.
And client should be, of course, KorGE. For the local game, however, it should be, I mean, your usual Pong game.
So, all right, now I start to remember that we wanted to have some way to manipulate the game state outside of the application.
Yeah.
Maybe with some sending the state to a socket and then trying to render it on this, right?
Yes.
Okay. How shall we do that? What? Tell me what to type. I have no idea.
I mean, 2 weeks passed. Nobody has any idea how should we do it. That's why you should never have vacations.
Why create the server? Can I just netcat on this and see what's
Can you do what?
netcat?
Wait, we have a special mechanism for encoding and decoding our game state, if you remember.
Yeah.
So what? Oh, I see. Right. Okay.
Nothing is happening.
I don't know. First of all, you launch only client, right?
Yeah.
So what do you want to see?
Listen.
Client doesn't send anything. Or does it?
See, it's writes to this port and socket.
Oh, nice. So you can netcat on this port.
That's what I tried to do, and it didn't work. Okay. Maybe it's like this. -P. And then where is the button? No? Okay. Yep. It's that.
Why?
Because it couldn't acquire something, I guess. No? Address already in use. Yeah, I think
because
that's what...
KorGE occupies 50-50.
But I want to listen on this part. I want to listen what being sent there.
Like you wanna have a fake server.
Yeah.
Just try to use netcat on a different host mode. Well, no. Man, we are doing something wrong.
Okay. Do you want to continue doing something
Let's decide what we want to do. Because this netcat thing is definitely not it's not our goal today, right?
I want to receive this from this client sends something somewhere. I want to check what is that.
You can run
Wireshark.
Wireshark is one of or TCP dump actually.
TCP dump. Okay, TCP dump might work. I want to see something. I don't.
Wow, our helpers.
Helpers? What?
Our helpers. You're using our helpers instead of cloning. I don't know, cloning repositories from and building packages yourself. I'm just kidding.
Shut up.
TCP dump, sudo TCP dump, DST port 50-50. DST port.
What?
Yeah, DST like destination. And you probably don't need this. No, maybe you need it. I think you don't need it actually. I think you don't need the double dash here. No? Am I wrong? Okay. Let me Google it for a second. TCP dump, the DST port.
TCP dump making me feel dumb. Okay. Expression.
Let's try just TCP dump port 50-50 without DST.
Okay, something is going on. It's probably listening on not on the proper. It's what?
Yeah, you probably need to listen on host. Host. Yeah, you need end it is end port 50-50. Yeah, just regular end like in Python. No, end which is ampersand. Man, AND.
Like
AND. Yes.
Okay. I would be impressed if it worked. It doesn't, so I'm not impressed.
Maybe you don't log something useful. I mean, probably you need some more.
How I select the interface?
Minus I interface. Because your interface is low, right?
Yes, should be.
It's low.
But it doesn't know that. Okay, wait. Aha. Nice.
It won't change anything.
It changed. It's now same. See? Now it works.
Wow. Okay. Color me impressed.
Nice. Okay.
So what?
Yes. So what? That's a good question. So now I want to have some sort of display of this game state.
Like you want to draw an actual Pong now.
What I want to do is I want to have two windows, right? One window is the one with the button, set the state. The other window is with the Pong thingies.
Yep.
When I press the button send the state, the Pong stuff moves according to the state I have. That's
Okay, nice.
like sounds like the minimum working thing that I need to implement if I want to go multiplayer here, right?
I got you. So actually, we need this. I don't know. Run this application twice, one with arguments and one without arguments, right?
Probably.
Let's navigate to our main again. Okay, cool. What arguments and how do we handle our arguments?
We don't.
Well,
that's the fun part. We don't handle arguments. If there are any arguments, then
okay. Probably we should change it just a bit. Probably we should, for example, we can always send one argument, otherwise just throw an exception. When the argument is host, then or server, then it will be server. When the argument will be guest, it will be guest or client. So if args0 equals, I don't know, server, then we'll launch the actual Pong game like this, right?
Yeah.
We will launch the actual Pong game. Otherwise, we will like this. We'll launch the client scene. Just else.
Okay.
We have some issue with scene container because KorGE should be around this if, I believe. Or no,
no, it should be like this.
I don't know. Nice.
What is this one? Okay, right.
I don't know
what now?
Okay, now we have this run configuration, KorGE hello world at the top. You can see it. Probably we can change it a bit to pass some program arguments, environment variables.
Let's call it Pong server. And
after run JVM, we probably can pass the server. Let's try at least. I'm not sure if it will work. If it won't work, I don't know what to do next.
I like how confident you are in.
It just doesn't work. I don't know. I just don't know how do we pass arguments to run JVM, modify options.
Allow multiple instances. Okay.
What yeah, probably let's try it with double dash. Do you know this bash notation with double dash? And then space and then actual program arguments. I don't know. I don't believe it will work. But I just don't know what to do at this point. No, it doesn't work.
I think it's an argument to run JVM or something like that.
Yeah. It looks like it's an argument to run JVM, but I don't know how do we pass arguments of the program. Kotlin, run JVM, program arguments.
Is it something that is very rarely done? That's why you don't know that.
I didn't work with the Kotlin multi-platform at all before our streams, so I just don't have any idea. Wait, but KorGE itself has some console and wait, no, it's not enough. It's not enough. Could you? No, it won't help. What do we have in modify options? Actually, we can set up an environment variable. It should work too.
Okay.
Just let I don't know. Like something like this.
Okay.
And now I don't know how do we.
Man, do you even know Kotlin?
I do a bit. Environment. Wait. I saw something useful there. No, it's something different, right? KorGE read environment variables.
You sure it's KorGE, not Kotlin?
It's a complex question, I don't know. Wait, interesting. They really have environment.
System get that.
Like you can call environment dot get. Nice. So in browser, it will be translated to reading query parameters.
Ooh, nice.
In other systems, it just reads the proper environment. Also, if you will alt enter on get, okay, let's launch it first.
Nice. This is a server.
It works.
Now
Now we should clone it, I believe. Do we have? Yeah, there is. Yes, this button.
Okay.
No, just rename it. Yeah, it's basically how development works. You don't know something and you're trying to guess. Sometimes you are lucky enough to guess.
Okay.
Do we have two windows? No.
Well, if we launch both
Yeah. I wasn't sure if it worked at all.
Yes.
We have two windows. Nice. Now you can tile them actually.
Doesn't work.
Yeah, it does something, but of course it doesn't update the actual state.
Okay, so we want to make sure that the server on this particular thing actually reads this. Oh wait, actually
it reads, but first of all, server should be inside the pond game, not inside this if, right? And second of all, it should update the actual state of pond game.
I'm sorry. Forgot to mute
yourself, you know?
I know. I forgot about that. Right. This needs to be moved somewhere. Pond game. Oh, muscle memory. Okay. Where do I create a server then?
In scene main probably.
Scene main, okay.
I don't know. Maybe in scene init. Probably in scene init. I mean, I don't actually feel a difference.
I think that if it's yeah, okay, let's put it this here.
Yeah, for time being, we can go with this one. So
now what happens?
And our client scene connects to where?
50-50.
Nice.
But let's try.
It's server running. Okay, it actually makes sense that in Kotlin multi-platform there is no such thing as command line argument. Because you don't launch Android application with command line arguments, web applications, iOS applications, native JVM applications.
Okay, so now I want to be sure that when I press this button, very small button here, yes, I will see in this window something, right? I got this. So yeah, it received this. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. So now what I want to do is
you want to actually transform the game state object to an actual game state now.
Yeah, and the client, I want it to be smaller. 512, 350.
50 by 50.
No.
Very, very small client.
384. Okay.
What kind of magic was it when you typed several numbers and then you understood that you need the 384?
Addition. Arithmetics.
Okay.
Okay, so
I can only write code.
This is client, this is server. All right, and here I want to, when I receive this, buffer to game state. Okay.
Yes.
Game state is buffer to game state. Wow.
You can actually now refactor it a bit. If you will hit Alt-Enter on JS, it will propose you to make it destructure and declaration, and you will get all the separate components. Use destructure and declaration.
Cool. Okay.
But I don't know why are they red underlined? Oh, because they are private. Okay, we need to unmake them private in game state.
What? How? Wait, what?
Control N to game state. That's another way to do it.
Why did we make them private?
I don't know. Probably because we didn't use them as public.
I want multiple courses.
Control Alt Shift click. Okay. By the way, there is something, I don't know. Public is default visibility, you can delete. It's almost Python-like by default.
Okay. So now here I want to move everything. No, wait, not here. Here. Where?
Long game.
Long game. Okay.
Look for I got this. Yes.
Yeah.
It's here. So you have this left one, right one, ball position, ball velocity. You should assign them somewhere.
Right? No.
Yes.
Where is velocity?
I don't have any idea.
Velocity. Why?
Nice.
And I want this left one, right one. Why it's because it was smart and realized that it would be overwritten. Okay, nice.
Yes. Maybe left one and right one are not the best possible. It will be. It's not X, I believe. Left is already double or something.
Correct.
Wait, no. Right, for real?
Yeah. We will fix it. Just let's make it work first.
Wait, okay, but left one is definitely. Wait, we don't change X. We change only Y. So left one and left two are just doubles.
How do I take a look at what the game state is?
Control Q on left one, for example. Oh, on the game state itself, yeah. Left and right are just doubles. And
vertical position.
An actual vertical position of pedal.
Okay. And why did it allow me to change this? It didn't. It did. Good.
And yeah.
Something like that?
Yeah, basically it should work.
Just one more second. I want to set the velocity to be equals to 0.
You also can send random left and right, just to be sure it changes. Random next double, random from capital R.
But I need to scale it.
Random double from something to something. From 0 to, I don't know, 100. 0.0 to 100.0 probably. And also you should import the random. Yes. Nice. It should be, if you want to use named arguments, they use equals, not colon. Comma at the end of the line. Right. Awesome.
Okay, I want to run server, then and the client.
And hope that server will be launched before client. You lost your screen?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Sorry about that.
Love it.
I
need to enter a couple of passwords. I know.
No, it
opened super secure
screen. Game. Okay. So the moment of truth.
Truth. Hit it.
Wait.
Bless you.
Yay!
And you saved the game.
Nice.
Look at the right pedal.
Yeah.
It's just trying to catch it, but it will never happen. Poor left pedal.
Nice.
Nice, baby.
Okay, cool. What next?
Next, we need an actual ponk on the client. Right?
Ponk on the client.
And there is a question. How should client-server communication happen again? I believe we discussed it last time that probably we should open two sockets. For server to be able to send something to client, and for client to be able to send something to server. Right?
Yeah.
And I don't know who should decide about physics. How does it usually work in usual multiplayer?
I mean, usually there is some interpolation that needs to be happening between client and server, and
like we both have our physical models of what's happening. We exchange them somehow, and then we decide.
Yeah. So what usually happens is that you have some sort of tick that happens inside your game, and then when the event comes and you are inside the range of acceptable duration or tolerance, then you're fine with setting this as your truth on your server. If you see that it's not
it's diverged too much,
you need to process too many, you just start processing them ahead of the tick time, something like that. So you have like a stream of messages. If you see that you are in line with those messages, then it's fine. If you're not, you try to process them further, and that's why you see this fast forward in games happening.
Oh,
that's how this interpolation works, because you get a new state object and then you have.
Does it mean that we should at least send, I don't know, some timestamp?
We do, yes.
But here we have an issue. We don't have an actual tick. It's very interesting. And as far as I can remember, in Godot we also don't have this tick. No, in Godot we have tick. Wait, here we have tick too, because we define how many updates per something we have, right?
Yes.
So
yeah,
something updates
per we also have this. It's called delta that comes to physics function.
Yes. Okay, delta.
It's like very universal. Probably KorGE has something similar here.
For what?
For this thing.
Which one?
What I'm trying to say is that there should be some way of internal tick calculation, and we can, if we have nothing like that, we can just use this 60 times per minute that we process somewhere per second as a
but it is our tick. It's our definition of tick. Like, I would say that KorGE gives us a big flexibility in what we call a tick. We can say that it's 60 times per second. But now I'm trying to understand. We can probably do it a little bit simpler. Just process all the physics on backend, on server, and send only pedal locations from client to server, each tick again. And server will decide how the ball behaves, and will decide everything else.
No, but then if ball behaves on one client differently than on the other one, you would have an issue.
But server will constantly update our ball. We can.
But you just said that we send on the positions of the pedals.
Wait, what? Oh, what you are saying is that if we have different. Wait, but no. Oh yes, we have. For starters, we can have the exactly same size of client window as of server window, and then positions will be directly matched. Right? If server says that pedal location is 50, it will be 50 on both server and client. And then
I don't think I understand what you're talking about. Can you just try to explain it?
What I say is we can process everything on server, and client will only send updates of the left pedal.
Yeah,
because it's our player, and it will update the state every tick, every message from the server. It will update the state according to what server said. And every tick, it will send the actual current location of left pedal. Am I clear now?
But you also want server to dictate what's the server understanding of your pedal as well. Because if you diverge there, it's not gonna be fun.
Server will dictate, and I will update location of my pedal according to what server said.
Yes.
So I will forcefully update the state of client based on what server said, but server will update the state of left pedal according to what client said.
Yes, I mean, you sound reasonable.
Okay, and it looks like it should be more or less simple to implement.
Maybe
the only thing we now have to have two actual states. Client will send only doubles, and server will send the whole state.
Client will send only doubles. Probably yes.
What's going on?
I'm just trying to make the ball annoyed.
How did you do it? Where did you break our ball?
No idea. I think it's collision detection.
You messed up with information you sent from client. And
I moved the ball a little bit to the right. And now it's very annoying.
It's not important right now. Let's try to. Okay, now you killed the ball and killed the right pedal. Awesome work. Awesome work. And I believe I know why, because your coordinates, your doubles are a little bit of the bounds or the boundaries.
Yeah, I just want to make it frustrating for the left pedal. Very frustrating. Okay, now actually I want to run server later than client. Pew. Yes.
It still works?
Still works. Still too close. Now. Damn it.
You are not talented enough. It's time to acknowledge this fact.
I was never.
You can't even break the game. Wait, does it move at all? Okay, set it to 130.
Interesting. What's going on? Maybe while it's running the client, it doesn't rebuild it or something. No? What the hell? Oi. Yeah, I completely forgot what we were talking about. Yeah, okay.
It works?
So...
Are you satisfied now? Can we continue our work?
Yeah, sure.
So, okay. Back to our bananas. Bananas. It's banana spunk.
Banana spunk.
Banana spunk. From server, each tick, we should send the actual state of the whole game. From client, each tick. Nice.
Yes.
We should send the current location of the left pedal. And probably for that we will have to create server on the client and client on the server, and they will have to connect to each other. It sounds kind of crazy-ish.
Why can't we? Okay. Why can't we? No, wait. From the client, we can send up or down.
Okay.
And the event would be that I sent this particular input.
Okay.
And then on the server, we process it and then send back the state.
Yes. Okay. You're right. Let's do it.
Yeah.
For that, we will have to create server on client and client on server.
Yes, yes.
And also we need some visualization on client. Okay, for the first iteration, we don't actually need visualization for client because we can watch it server.
I can add 2 buttons. I can add 2 buttons on the client scene.
It's better to process keyboard, right? Than to add the actual buttons. Because you will have to press the buttons quickly. And nobody likes it.
I want to add buttons.
Okay.
Up and down. Mainly because I want to have buttons.
Okay.
Yeah, now this is annoying because the client
it's not
probably needs to happen. Client here. Client.
You don't have any state here, so you need to send, I believe, 1 or 0. Nice.
Too smart. I hated these.
It's
Okay,
not
this
IDE
one
who is too smart, and it's not too smart what you wanted to say.
Get lost. What I want to send is
On up you want to say 1, I believe, and on down you want to send 0.
Can I send up?
Like
No.
You should send bytes.
0. Okay.
2 bytes. Oh, nice.
1.
I thought you have to explicitly cast or int to byte because it's actually a downcast. Bytes are narrow than.
I can even send -1.
I like it. Now
Okay.
on server you should handle it somehow.
Yeah. Let's just see that the buttons are there.
It's nice that everything will crash now.
Yes, because it doesn't connect to the client, to the server. I need
yes, and everything
right now we need to first start the server.
Yes,
and then start the client.
Of course, and also it still won't work, of course, because
Why?
-1 and 1 cannot be read as huge buffers, and then they won't be able to. They won't be cast to, I don't know. What happens to your screen?
It runs.
Okay, we press it.
Yeah.
Nice. Some errors are in there.
Yeah.
Let's look at them. Maybe they say something.
But we also said that we need to send ticks, but probably that's for the next iteration.
Yeah, probably.
All right, here I got this read buffer byte array client connected. Okay.
Yeah, but do you see it tries to read 48 bytes? Yes. Now it needs to read only 1 byte. So you can just call client.read or something like that.
But I need a buffer.
Do you need it? I believe there is a simple client read that will return 1 byte.
Yes.
A lot of console info. Console capitalized.
Okay. Right. Server.
Now, at this point, I think that we need a bash script that will launch this comments.
You're correct.
It's
or
easy to do.
Some way to launch it. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's bytes.
Yep. Okay, so when server receives here. Same action, paddle speed. Left. Wait, what now? Where is our up and down? Paddle speed, okay.
Minus equals. That's how you do it. Left minus equals paddle speed.
Yeah. One.
It should probably be else if, just in case. It's micro optimization, which doesn't change anything really.
Yeah. Okay.
It won't compile because you have incorrect line in console info. Control Y deletes lines. Delete line or redo. I would choose delete line. Like just delete line.
Can I do something like no? Okay. Forget it.
You can actually hit Control X and it will cut the whole line, but it's probably not what you want to do.
Okay. Client, run the client.
Okay, nice.
Nice. Oh. Like
that's why I propose to use actual keyboard, not buttons.
Yeah, I know. What if is there a way to have the button not on click or on press? On press, yes.
Wait, it's different. Do you see? It doesn't work. It doesn't compile.
Why?
Because on press is a different kind of action, and it's a touch event for touch devices. Maybe while pressed or something like that.
On down.
On down. But I believe it's also a one-time action.
Let's see. Why it's taking so slow?
So long, I don't know.
So long, yeah. Yes, okay.
Well, yeah, because now the act on cover, nice. Again, it will be, they all are one-time actions. Let's just introduce our usual updater for keyboard.
Okay, yes.
I know I'm boring, but it just works in all other places.
I mean, for me, it would be easier to trick you into thinking that I'm not sending anything if it's not there. Whatever. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, tricking me is our main goal today.
Absolutely. This add updater is just released. Okay, gauge state, client seed. That was seed main? Yeah.
I believe you can collapse UI vertical stack by clicking. Yeah,
Nice.
You can hit Control dot to collapse things.
Control dot.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Don't control dot it.
What's going on now? This is bullshit. Oh,
What's wrong? What's wrong?
too many things happening. I was just
Why?
trying to create right.
Oh, here we have launch immediately, I believe. You should wrap. Do you see? Oh no, it works. It actually works. Nice.
I'm surprised as well.
Minus up. It will be funny.
Yeah.
Do you see that it doesn't compile?
Yeah. Yes, I see that.
I believe you should wrap this whole right thing into launch immediately. Almost.
When I'm hungry, I want to lunch immediately. Right, that's my break. Okay. All right. I want to run the server and client, and we have just 2 minutes left, so maybe I should start committing things.
Oh, you're so time limited.
Infinite type is it, but key was expected. Ah ha 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 ha.
Yeah, funny.
Send up. Send down.
Я бы назвал это. I would call them byte up and byte down, but this will work too.
If I call them send up and send down, I can call them later send nudes. Right?
Send what?
Nudes.
Yes.
All right.
Folks, by the way, well, if you are watching this, we are now also streaming to YouTube. So you can watch not only on stream, but also on YouTube. And for me, it makes it easier to upload things. Now I should only update covers and maybe descriptions.
Too fast. Okay, yeah, it works here.
Kind of works.
Kind of works. I can control it here. I can control it here. I cannot control it here.
So next time we probably should implement the two-side communication thing.
Yeah, I'm quite happy.
Git
something smart about this change.
We send bytes.
Okay. Send bytes like a boss.
Nice.
Cool. All right. So what did we do today? We created some proof of concept.
Yeah, we now have an actual client. It doesn't have a real UI, which will show the state of server, but it can send the actual comments. And probably next time we will add the UI that will on client repeat what's going on server. The server processes the whole physics thing. Client is only dump drawer and sender of comments.
Yes,
that's basically all.
Awesome.
Okay, folks. Thank you very much. See you next Friday, I believe. I hope.
Yes.
I believe and I hope. See you, folks.
Bye.